to the big national stage that is being set. Yes, we are breaking that big story here first up on this edition of the news and telling you how Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal now has put forward an apology to the Transport Surface Minister Nitin Gadkari. You would recall that there is a defamation case already underway in which Arvind Kejriwal, many would in fact say, seems to be losing a lot of ground, but he's put forward that apology. That letter is up on your screens there on the left. And our colleague Anuj is just going to join us in a bit to get you more details about what specifically are we hearing from Arvind Kejriwal. Anuj, do read in from this letter and tell us more about what he has to say.
Yes, exactly, Deepthi. This is big now, and this is another apology by Arvind Kejriwal. And we remember that how the Punjab unit was not happy with the decision of Arvind Kejriwal. And now this is another letter of Arvind Kejriwal. This is to Nitin Gadkari. And let me read from the letter also that the present complaint was filed for the defamation against the Shri Arvind Kejriwal, which is presently disposal before the Honorable Court and is listed on 23/4 of 18. And that on 16/3 2018, Shri Kejriwal has written a letter to complaint expressing regret for the unveiled allegation, copy of letter.
Okay.
And what all we have in the letter is the apology. And let me also read you that also for you. Both of us are in public life belonging to different political parties. I certain statements without regard to its verifiability, which seems to have hurt you, and therefore you have filed a defamation case against me. I have nothing personal against you. I regret the same. So this is the line, Deepthi. I regret the same. Let us put the incident behind us and bring the court proceeding towards closure. I suggest we should put our energy to serve the people of this country in the spirit of the mutual respect. So this is it, what is coming.
But then Anuj, we are putting out more details of this letter that you're also reading from here on our broadcast. Yes, Anuj, what I want to understand from you now is that what happened then to the entire politics of Arvind Kejriwal, because there are many who say that this is only a shoot and scoot politics that Arvind Kejriwal indulged in to gain power. And now that he's realizing that, listen, there is no basis to these comments that he made, whether that was earlier against the Punjab Mantri Majitia or now Nitin Gadkari, what happens to his politics and his own position now?
Yes, this is very much right, Deepthi. What line Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party has taken from the very beginning, that they will fight for the common people. They are the party of the common people. But this is not, and that is which is coming in after these kind of things which is going on. This was Majitia. After this, now Nitin Gadkari. You make allegation on anybody. You can blame anybody on anything. And what we are knowing from the top sources that this will be next will be Arun Jaitley, because obviously there is a defamation case with Arun Jaitley also of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and there also he has already planned to apologize for the same. So what exactly is coming in now? They are taking understanding, actually, I would say, the reality of politics. They just jumped into the politics without knowing anything, and they were just making blames to the other people. Now they understand that they are not able to handle these situations, these cases. So that is why they are seem to be on the back front now and apologizing one after another.
But the story, Anuj, the story perhaps is bigger, because this is not just a story about the, current Delhi Chief Minister, who now is on an apology spree, trying to actually clear the ground that possibly he could have lost. Let's also get in the Shiromani Akali Dal's Manjinder Singh Sirsa, who's with us on the phone line. Now, Sirsa Sahab, when you look at the Delhi Chief Minister today, he earlier apologized to Majitia. He is apologizing now to Nitin Gadkari. What is this kind of politics? Is this the Delhi Chief Minister having a change of heart?
Not at all. It is.
What are your thoughts? See, basically, as you know, defamation cases are made upon allegations made by somebody which are unsubstantiated and which harm the reputation of a person. In this case, Arvind Kejriwal had made statements which were defamatory, and the complaint case was filed by Gadkari ji on that basis. Now that he has written a letter, he's not only stated, but he actually sent a letter to Nitin Gadkari ji, stating that he is sorry for what has happened. He's expressed regret, and this was based upon unverified allegations. Based upon that, Nitin Gadkari ji decided to compound the offence and not go further with the complaint, and to close the issue in the larger interest of the nation and to work towards the country.
Mr. Kejriwal seems to be sorting out most of his defamation cases through these written apologies. We've seen that with Majithia, now we're seeing that with Nitin Gadkari. Do you think we can expect a similar way forward for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal?
I think that only time can tell. I cannot predict what he would do. But definitely you are right on that there is this apologizing spree, as you call it. And he has expressed it in as many words unconditionally. So hopefully that he will continue with this path and correct the wrongs that have been committed by him. Because we must understand that defamation is a very strong offence. It is as bad as any criminal offence, even amounting to murder or similar, because this damages your reputation. So I think people have to be careful and not making statements which are defamatory and which actually harm the reputation of a person.
Taking into consideration that he's a sitting chief minister and the fact that he is at a place where he has to issue multiple apologies, does that mean that he's been recklessly making these statements about people without any verification whatsoever? How does that reflect on the fact that he's a sitting chief minister of a...
I think this actually has a lesson for all of us, that the more, the higher up we are in office, when we are chief ministers, when we are in public offices, we must be very careful. And I don't think I need to answer you to one extent, because he himself has said that he made statements based upon unverified allegations. Being unverified allegations, you make statements, you know that they are harmful. I think it calls for comment on public life.
Ma'am, Arvind Kejriwal's logic behind this apology is the fact that a lot of time and resources are being wasted in attending such hearings, and there are 33 defamatory cases left. So he feels that apologizing is the first step towards getting more towards public.
I think the best way that you can actually act towards the public is by not making such defamation. First, you make defamatory comments. How much time has been spent on these matters? The question is not how much time is being spent, but so many complaints were filed. The question is not suddenly of saving time. These complaints have been going on for the last 3-4 years by now. Why didn't this action come before? But be that as it may, today he has expressed regret, and people who are wiser have decided to accept the regrets and the apology, and we only hope that the way forward would be good.
Thank you.
That is the ASG Pinky Anand telling us more of what happened in the court. And let's return to Manjinder Singh Sirsa, who's been patiently holding that phone line. Sirsa साहब बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. और अभी हम पिंकी आनंद को सुन रहे थे. वो ये बोलती हैं कि जिस तरह का ब्रांड ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स शायद अरविंद केजरीवाल पहले जिसमें बिलीव करते थे, जिसके हिसाब से हर फैसला लेते थे, वो शायद अब बदल रहा है. आप इस पूरी अपॉलॉजी स्प्री को कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, ये बिल्कुल गलत होगा ये कहना. अपॉलॉजी इस चीज के लिए नहीं है कि बदल रहा है, ना उनका दिल बदला है, ना उनकी सोच बदली है. उन्होंने लोगों के ऊपर झूठे दोष लगाकर, क्योंकि कभी उन्होंने ये अब आज वो कह रहे हैं कि मेरे पास कोई ऐसी कंफर्मेशन नहीं थी, ऐसे जो मैंने एलिगेशंस लगाए वो उनके पास, लेकिन तब तो बोलते थे मेरे पास ट्रंक भर के रखा हुआ है. आई डू रिमेम्बर जब शीला दीक्षित के खिलाफ उन्होंने कहा था, ही सेड आई एम होल्डिंग 300 पेजेस ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट, 3000 फाइल्स, एंड आई गॉट अ ट्रंक होल्ड ऑफ दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. जब मजीठिया पे लगाया तो ही सेड कि मेरे पास जो डॉक्यूमेंट हैं, मुझे जो आज उनके एक और जो उनके जो सहयोगी थे उनका नाम लेकर उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे को जो आशीष खेतान ने आज डॉक्यूमेंट्स दिए हैं, मैं देखकर हैरान हूं, इसके बाद तो मजीठिया बच ही नहीं सकता. सो नाउ इट इज वेरी क्लियर थिंग दैट ये जो भी कर रहे थे वो द पर्पस वाज कि लोगों को किसी ना किसी तरीके बहकाकर बहकावे में लाके कि मैं सभी लड़ाई लड़ रहा हूं, मैं देश की अकेला लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए निकला हूं, सारे कागज देश के अंदर थे, लेकिन कोई किसी पे कार्रवाई नहीं करना चाहता, मैं केवल एक देवता इंसान हूं जो सब पे कार्रवाई करना चाहता हूं, इसलिए दुनिया के लोग मेरे खिलाफ है. सो द मैसेज वाज नॉट दिस कि मुझे पता नहीं है. ही सेज कि मेरे पास डॉक्यूमेंट है, वेरीफाइड डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं, एंड नोबडी इज देयर टू एक्ट ऑन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. आई एम द ओनली पर्सन हु विल एक्ट ऑन दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. ऑन दिस बेसिस ही गॉट दिस गवर्नमेंट. इसीलिए आज उनको सत्ता मिली, वो चीफ मिनिस्टर बने. आज जब उनको सत्ता मिल गई,
ऑलराइट, सो द अकाली दल सेज दिस इज नो चेंज इन हार्ट. This is an Arvind Kejriwal realizing that he never had the proof to even stand and prove those allegations. Sirsa Saab, for the moment, thank you for speaking to us on Republic.